Hi, Joy. Hi, Nacho. How you guys doing?
Fine,
Thank you.
Oh, great.
Great.
So how did you hear about Express Flooring?
It was actually an advertisement in the newspaper.
Oh, great.
And we were very distraught over the insurance company and the way they were handling the flood damage. So I called. I thought, okay, we can do this by ourselves.
Right.
So we did.
Oh, great. And I see the floors turned out really, really pretty.
Oh, they're gorgeous.
Really
They
pretty.
turned out much prettier than we anticipated.
Oh, good. And then how were the installers that came in?
You know, they were awesome. They told us they would be here in 30 minutes. They were here in 25.
Great.
They were prompt. They actually got here before Corey called us to tell us that they were coming.
Oh, awesome.
So it was wonderful. Professional, reassured us. We had some qualms about seams and how it would be installed. He was great. He was
Oh,
really
God.
good. Really good.
And then overall, from start to finish, was it a simple process?
It was very simple. Amanda is the design consultant that came out. She was amazing, very patient with us
Good.
again, and it just worked out great. It
Good.
really did.
And then would you refer your friends and family to Express Flooring?
Absolutely. it has been a really, what started out as a very bad, difficult challenge ended up to be an amazing experience.
Oh, good. Well, thank you, Nacho. Thank you, Joy, for taking your time with me today, guys. Enjoy the rest of your week and your beautiful floors, okay?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.